Guys, kita orang berada di UKM pagi. Fakulti kerja dasar pula. Fakulti Sains. Kita nak pergi buat volunteer. Yeay. Weh, kamera. Kita orang je 3 yang senior. Dan juga ada junior di situ. Kita orang support dorang. Senior supportive. Lepas tu doktor.
Hai. Oh, vlog ni.
Okay, bersama Inspektor Kina. Kita nak buat siasatan apa ni? KDNKK. Dia tengok siapakah penjual-penjual yang naik harga. Bersama asisten dia. KKM. Tengok gerak-gerak yang bersih. So, kita orang semua stop dekat apa benda lah ni? Genting Sepa. Lama datang hari ni. So, every time datang ni nak pergi Genting je. So, kita nak makan. Berapa lama? Berapa minit kat sini? Berapa jam? Setengah jam ke? Oh, wah, sejuknya. Sekejap kita kena naik Genting. Okay, now this is our breakfast. Aku kasi lemak telur mata. Sebab macam nak kenyang lah. Korang makan apa? Asal. Sudah, cepat. Testing. Test. Tapi tengok dia punya dia macam nampak best. Dia punya apa? Macam apa mie dia panggil. Dia macam dia tak macam biasa. Laksa dia tu tak macam biasa. Okay. Haifa beli teh ais, Milo ais and mi teh ais.
Masalahnya pelik lah. Okey lah.
Aku ingat teh ais macam bancu. Faham tak? Macam teh ais yang typical dekat rumah mak. Aku pun teh ais.
Oh, ya. Aku ingat bantu.
So, makan. Guys, kita berada di lokasi Kampung Pagi. Dah sampai Jati Boat. Kita nak gerak ke lokasi. Entahlah. See you there. Bersila je ke? Okay. Oh. Duduk bersila. Okay, semua orang, saya dah selamat masuk. Boleh je.
Lelaki dah tak wujud dah. Tak ada orang main perempuan.
Boleh je saya duduk first class. Barang dah pergi dulu. Untuk barang.
Sikit. Dia ada 2 bot.
Oh. Selamat sampai. Selamat atas bot.
Selamat jadi sampai dah.
See you there. Kita pada lewat depan ni. Okay, kita dah bergerak ke lokasi perkemahan. Kita terus jalan dulu je. Wow, teh ais. Kina tinggal.
Belakang kan.
Hai. Wah. Ah, mana? Kerbau.
Oh, tu.
Itu adalah kerbau.
Kerbau boleh berenang ya?
Oh, ya.
Tak ada gajah.
Ah?
Itu kerbau.
That is kerbau. Dia dah nak bagi kot.
Dia pandang je.
Okey. Comelnya. Tahu dia lah pemain tak. If you're watching this video right now, dalam boat, atas boat, nak pergi ke mana tak? Tapi sekarang kat Taman Negara Pahang. First time, 24 years. Quite nice actually.
Syafiq muka cuak je. Kenapa Syafiq?
Emang.
Takut kena tinggal ke?
Sini pagi. Dia akan berlaku semua tempat yang menarik. Okay, sekarang ni kita nak dah cakap boat. Sekarang tadi stesen pertukaran.
Naik bot tu pergi pulang.
Sekarang kita masuk ke dalam rumah pasangan bawah. Kita nak turun ke bawah. Slow. Masalah aku yang tak boleh slow. Tu. Dua. Allah. Ikan bilis. Ikan biru. Oi, licik maci. Babi. Aduh. Perempuan naik atas kan? Selamat datang ke resort. Hi guys, Silau. So if you're watching this video right now, currently update my life update. Tak ada kipas obviously kan. Nak tidur. So I tak dapat sleeping bag, so I got a sleeping, I don't know what I call, tapi macam ni lah. So sleeping places macam kursi lipat tu, yang kursi healing itu panggil, tapi ni macam katil healing. So I brought my nap, and then my IKEA punya apa blanket yang harga RM8 ke dah RM10 tak ingat lah. And obviously I will bring everywhere my bag that I bought from Uniqlo, everything here, pendor, my wallet, my tissue, my fan, power bank, semua kat sini, dan gula-gula angin. So yeah, see you guys for next video. Actually kita orang dah habiskan macam benda macam ice breaking with OA, and then dengan budak lah, and then dengan lecturer semua and the staff. So that's all. And then kita ada plan besok, follow dorang punya plan, and then solat subuh, Sinarabi, and then study, learning, teaching them. After that, hari Ahad pula kita orang buat balik sama Sinarabi, and then breakfast semua tu, and then ulang kaji, and then we are back. So I can wait for hari Ahad, but at the same time I can't wait for tomorrow punya event sebab I can't wait to finish that Sabtu ni hari. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. So while I'm editing the vlog, I just want to say that I really excited like to keluar. I mean like balik lah. Sebab first time experience dalam hutan. To be honest, I told myself like when I was a kid like I love hutan compared to laut. But I realised I'm gonna twist it. I prefer pantai beach compared to hutan. The best thing about hutan is that very calming. Like I can sleep early compared to last time when I was still depressing era. So after like sleeping in the jungle forest, like very calming. Like after the video I tidur. After that, that night what happens is that I just apa berlaku, kita ada macam meet and greet, like introduction, ice breaking with OA, and then we have dinner. It did quite good, but it's very hard to get very clean water. I learned a lot of things, like for example, interact with nature. I mandi air sungai in the morning. It's quite good. Like you macam bangun sedap. And then jaga makan. I mean like you get food when you need and you eat on your specific time, because sometimes people tak makan, macam skip breakfast, skip lunch, go to dinner, or skip dinner, go to like breakfast for next morning. And then next I learned about how brilliant are them. Like they are very brilliant. Like they are, because people macam okay, obviously lah semua orang tahu, tapi diorang sangat-sangat pandai dan diorang ada their own facility and empathy. I mean like diorang punya sensitivity. So I respect that. I think like, to be honest, like this video like almost like 4 months ago, but I just want to say that I learned a lot. To be honest, after that I talked with this junior, like kita orang cakap macam sama pandai. We make a joke lah, to be honest. This is a joke. So pandai naik boat, because kita naik boat and kita balik like that. Kita balik. Itulah joke dia. So it's quite fun hang out with them. I mean like me as senior that time, like third year, and then interact with second year student. And then kita orang bergaul, talk about something. There's a lot of input between all of us, and then work together to interact and give a knowledge, sharing knowledge lah. To be honest, sharing information with the OA, it's quite fun. I love it. To be honest, I very interested to do again, but maybe boleh fikir lah. Sejujurnya I want to do it, but I don't want to go to hutan anymore. Because I'm scared of animal. Cuma, to be honest, tak ada apa-apa pun. Tapi, fun fact, I just found kucing mahal. I mean like I call it like kucing baka dekat dalam hutan tu. I macam, what? British short hair, Russian blue, grey, dekat hutan. Oh my god, azan. Hai korang, kita orang berada di sesi bergigi bersama mereka.
Cakap hai. Macam mana?
Ni vlog. Okay, kita orang semalam.
Kita kena nak introduce dia orang.
Apa gebel ni? Saya Teacher Denny.
Cikgu Kina, Cikgu Haika.
So kita orang ada cikgu ganti. Kalau ada cikgu yang sakit, kita orang datang.
Kita relief.
Kita relief dia. Okay. Tu kita orang punya guru besar. Baju biologi tu. Ni cikgu apa? Cikgu-cikgu. Ni semua sekarang ni diorang tengah busuk gigi, bergigi. So diorang bergigi kat sini. Dah bergigi dah? Okay. Sabar. Ni oh. Ambil lah.
Apa kelas A, kelas B
Kelas A, kelas B.
Okey. Hai. Selamat pagi semua. Pagi ni kita akan belajar bahasa Melayu lah. Untuk kelas A, kelas B kita akan buat kita akan duduk jarak-jarak boleh tak? Bagi semua selesa nak
Bagi nak mula sana-sana sikit. Hai korang. Kita sekarang berada di
Kita orang dapat live.
Yes.
Aku cakap dia tak ada live.
Aku nak balas status.
Dah. Kita orang talk through early.
I need CT. I need wifi. I don't need air. I need wifi.
Masuk balik. Belum. Ni sini aku buka. Ini ada balik. Nak suruh aku joget ke apa?
Wow, bersinarnya update. Kita orang dah hari terakhir. Sekarang pukul 7.47. Doakan kami selamat nak balik. Kurang balik. Hai. Kedua. Pukul 1. Oh dah.
Okay, dah lah. Duduk. Pukul 2.
Weh. Berry tu berry. Tiga.
Dia hantar wakil dulu.
Depan aku loh.
Kau memang dah jahatnya. Tak tahu lah 1 minit. Dah 2 minit dah. Pukul 3. 1. Kira Datin Seri dah naik dah.
Profesor Emeritus.
Ya apa bahagia?
Yang berbahagia. Cegas lagi. Okay, wah.
Eh.
Aku tidur kat atas.
Ya Allah rasa nangis pula. Tak ada mana mampu pun tapi rasa nak keluar mata. Alah menyemak kat sini. Bye. Tati. Tati story ni lagu ni tau Adira.
Lagu apa?
Lucy.
Allah. Macam gitu lah. Lagi tak pergi dia sakit tebal.
Lagi tak masuk kan?
Artis. Penyanyi nombor 1 Egypt. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
Jaga diri kat sana
Oh, sampai bawah nangis tu. Acap, jangan nangis Acap.
Specially ni tu apa? Fast track. Oh, pasport yang ni boleh pakai ni je. Oh, apa panggil? Mesin apa tu? Scan je. Scan muka apa tau. Habis keluar kat sini lah. Rekod ni okey.
Betul.
Sekarang kita orang berada di airport. Terjaya. Tadi hantar cap. Bye Ayah. Bye Ayah. Jumpa lagi. Kalau rezeki jumpa lagi.
Baliklah sini.
Alah, tahun baru ke?
Aku ada dekat Perak.
Last call,
Okay.
yes.
Bye.
Perak kau kena naik ferry.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. Video tu tak ada ending. Oh no, tak ada ending Yelah. Tak ada ending story. I mean like summarizing. So I just have to say thank you so much for watching this video. Like right now I'm editing with my iPad. And yeah, I hope you guys can follow me on my TikTok or my YouTube. So please subscribe. And if actually I don't care much about people like about my video or not, because I think like I just want to capture it and then post on social media so that I can watch later on in future. Because yeah, something that we can, I mean, like the memory cannot be like um forever remember. So after like record it, edit it, post it, at least I can watch in future and like showing myself that I can do it. So yeah, I went to like volunteering for actually not my first time to be honest, but for volunteering outsider in the city, which is going to outside the city. It's like my first time like boat and go across the Taman Negara. It's quite adventuring and very good experience for me. And yeah, and I cannot like meet my best friend, but I can send him to go to airport because he studied dentistry. So that's the end of the video. So I thank you so much for my lecturer, my junior that make this event, at least like get opportunity to do some volunteering other than helping lah orang-orang kita lah. Sekarang kita boleh tolong orang-orang yang dalam hutan. I mean like orang-orang yang tak dapat kemodenan macam kita sekarang. Tapi mereka selesa. I'm like very comfortable with that kind of style. But at least they know. And yeah, we try our best to give them opportunity to explore the world because, you know, if they going out, at least they can introduce their own culture to us and understand other people culture, other people understanding, other people you know differences make us more understand what make us different and make us more special as a Malaysian. So thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you. Annyeong.